In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving verification codes. Open browser like Google Chrome and type in Gmail down. In search bar at the top, this will lead you to third-party website called Down Detector. Here, you can check if Gmail server are experiencing any issue or downtime. If there are no report issue, on to the next step. Ensure that your phone settings are configured correctly to receive SMS messages. Navigate to your phone settings and scroll down to find apps. Tap on it and search for messages. Once found, click on permissions and ensure that SMS permissions are enabled. This is crucial for receiving verification codes for Gmail or any other social media platform. If above steps doesn't resolve an issue, try restarting your device. Simply tap on and hold the power button until power menu appears, and select restart. This can sometimes help resolving minor glitches that may be causing problem. After trying these troubleshooting steps, return to Gmail and attempt to request verification code again. You should now be able to receive code successfully.